Do you agree that the standard Shopware account overview is a bit boring? If yes, hold on, because I want to show you how you can add personalized customer greetings into your Shopware account. Have fun! Welcome ladies and gentlemen to the tutorial. My name is Alexander from Shop Studio and let's get started. Now you can see the standard Shopware account overview page, and of course it's a bit boring because you only see like some data and this is like a basic headline, it's overview. But it would be of course better if we would have a way to change it. And that's why I have developed a personalized customer greeting app which is compatible with Shopware Cloud and the Shopware self-hosted version. And the goal is to add a personalized customer greeting, for example, like here, hello Mrs. Brown, or hello Sarah Brown, good afternoon Mrs. Brown. So we can add custom greetings or time-based greetings. To install this application, we have to, of course, go to the Shopware administration first. And now we have to go to My Extensions. To the store. And now we can search for it, personalized. And here we go. So we can see our free application. We click on it. And we just click on Add Extension. Now we accept, of course, the terms and condition. We wait a little bit. And now we can see extension successfully added. So we close the screen. And now we go to My Extensions. And we can see that the app is downloaded, but it's not installed and not activated. So we first have to install the app. And the next step is to activate the app. Perfect. Now, if we go back to the account overview page, we click on refresh and see that nothing is happening. And this is because it's not configured properly. To configure it, we have to go to the administration again. Now we are under My Extensions. We have to click on Configuration. And now we can see multiple options. Basically, there are two ways to add personalized customer greetings. The first way is to add a static greeting, for example, a custom text and then maybe the name, something like hello, Mrs. Brown, or howdy, Alexander, for example. Try out the first way. We just click on Enable. Now we can see the snippet, how to change it, but we leave it for now with the default value. We can change it later. And yeah, we just click on Save. And let's check out the result. And we can see, hello, Mr. Barton. We can, of course, set some more options. We can, for example, say only use first name. When it's not that formal, it's a bit better, at least in my eyes. Or for example, we can use the first name and the last name. Here we go, perfect. If we want to translate or to change this text from hello to, for example, howdy, Alexander Barton, we have to check out the snippet here. So we go to the settings. I open a new tab. And now we go down to the snippets. This is an English store, so we have to click here on this snippet set. Now we can just paste the snippet. And we see we have this hello person sign, name person sign. To change it, we just double click on it and now we can change it to howdy. And we click on save and it changed to howdy Alexander Barton. So this was the first way how we can personalize it. If we go back to the configuration page, we disable this time static greeting and enable greeting based on the time. We click on Save, go back to the account, and now we have good afternoon, Mr. Barton. So the time is matching. Just one quick note. The time is based on the browser time of the customer, thus he will always see the correct greeting. perfect for international clients, for example, or international shops. Of course, we have some more options to define it more precisely. For example, when does the morning start or when does the morning end? So we can change the time bounds. We of course can change the snippet too, like the previous example, and the same for afternoon and the evening. And of course we have the two options to only use the first name or to use the first name and last name. So we change it again, this time it's good afternoon. Let's say we only want to use the first name again. Now we refresh the page and that's it. Now we are done with the tutorial. If you have enjoyed the tutorial, do not forget to subscribe to the channel or to leave a comment or a review. We see us in the next tutorial. Bye!